This is the revolutionary DxO ONE, the world's smallest 1-inch sensor camera. The DxO ONE is capable of capturing photos every bit as detailed and dynamic as those taken with a DSLR. Most importantly, the DxO ONE is a connected camera, designed to attach directly to your iPhone or iPad via this incredibly innovative connector. Let's take a moment to better understand and appreciate all that went into the design of the DxO ONE's Lightning connector, as it's a key component to the overall experience. By offering a direct connection, the Lightning connector provides 8 times the bandwidth of Wi-Fi. More bandwidth means access to your high-resolution photos is fast and frictionless. And by avoiding Wi-Fi, there's no setup required, no ad hoc networks, no passwords, and no connection woes. Simply plug it in, and it works. And unlike other made-for-iPhone connectors, such as those typical of charging docks and speaker systems, the One is designed to be used in the field, and is built to stay firmly attached to your iPhone during normal use and movement. It's also important to note that with the camera physically connected to the iPhone, you can easily mount it to a tripod using any number of available third-party accessories, which enables you to capture amazing long-exposure photos like this one. When designing the One, DxO wanted to ensure that if an excessive force was applied to the connector, it would automatically release without damaging the iPhone, the Lightning connector, or the DxO ONE itself. Like a fuse in your fuse box, which releases when overloaded, the fused mechanism in the DxO ONE instantly releases when overstressed by physical force. When the Lightning connector is in its normal position, it locks into the iOS device like this. But when it's pushed too far or too hard, the connector simply unlocks and recedes, safely pulling itself out of the iOS device. DxO's hardware architects even managed to implement all of this protection into a mechanism that freely swivels 60 degrees in either direction. This patent-pending design lets you rotate your iPhone or iPad to easily get shots high overhead, or in the other direction, all the way down at ground level. And to ensure the durability of the rotating Lightning connector, it's been tested to well over 38,000 cycles. That's the equivalent of 10 times a day, every day, for 10 years. Beautifully designed, incredibly useful, and exceptionally durable, the rotating, retracting Lightning connector is just one of the many remarkable innovations that have made DxO ONE the new shape of photography.